Today I'm going to talk about stock photography, but I'm not going to talk about money. I'm going to talk about why you have to start today and why it's so important for you as a photographer to put your photography in stock photography websites. So many of you are still skeptical about making money with the stock, but you can make money with it. The only thing is that you have to take the time to learn. I do have a full playlist about stock photography, and I teach you from beginning till the end how to sell pictures in stock photography and make sure you sell, rather than having pictures there not selling at all. So guys, I downloaded the contracts of Getty Images, just a few of them, to show you the companies that bought my pictures, which kind of companies, and to show you the pictures as well. I'm not gonna talk about figures because I do have a private community and I talk about figures over there and I show you how much money I make exactly from every picture. But today I'm gonna focus just in the companies and the pictures to motivate you a bit and to push you towards stock photography because there is a lot of opportunity here. It's not just about the money, it's about the reputation as a photographer and where you can be published. So let's go to it. And here you have my first contract. This is one of them, and you can see here customer name, Yahoo. And then there is many others here, I don't know so much, but this one I put here because you have Yahoo. Then another one, you can see here Affinity Express, Telegraph. Telegraph is a huge company. Then you have Axel, Iberia Airlines. From Spain they bought these pictures, Iberia Airlines. I'll show you later all the pictures they bought. Swarovski as well, is massive companies. Then here I have Microsoft. Microsoft bought a picture from Ecuador. I was super happy with it. I'm almost for sure they bought it for a screensaver or something like that. I'll show you later the picture. And then NBC as well. They bought one of my pictures, Yahoo again, and you can see more companies here. And then here, Fujifilm. Fujifilm Europe bought one of my pictures as well, a self-portrait. I'm gonna show you later. Here you have this month, which was Facebook. Facebook was the surprise of this month for me in stock photography. Facebook bought one of my pictures. And also BBC News and Sport bought another one of my pictures this month. This one is from time ago as well. Booking.com. Booking.com bought a few pictures of mine already, a few times. And then BBC again around here. BBC News and Sport bought one of my self-portraits, which I freaking love. I think I showed you already, but I can't remember if I did it on YouTube or on my private community, but I'll show you again later which picture it is. Again, Fujifilm. It's incredible to find all these companies buying my pictures, between millions of them. Then here as well, Amazon. Amazon bought one of my pictures. So here it is, Amazon Alexa. So guys, as you see, these companies are huge. And this is a lot of merit for a photographer because if you go to Getty Images, you see billions of pictures from amazing photographers or worse ones as well, obviously, all kind of quality you can find there. Normally it's quite good, but sometimes you can find a bit of everything. But it's a bit hard to enter Getty Images. But guys, it's worth it because the companies that buy your pictures are incredible. So many times I don't see where they post the pictures and I suffer a lot because I would love to see my pictures published in their companies. So I had to do like a bit of Google search and find them myself. Sometimes I found them and I found my picture published in Condé Nast Traveler, one picture I took from Cuba, in Business Insider because someone told me in Instagram as well that my picture was in Business Insider. And things like that, but it's quite hard to find the pictures. You see who bought it, but you don't see for what exactly. So you can do a bit of Google search and try to find it yourself. So I'm gonna show you the pictures now. Let's go here. So this one is my beautiful niece, and yeah, Yahoo bought it. So I don't know for what, but probably for some news about Christmas or something like that. The next one would be this one. This one is from Cuba. I can't wait to come back to Cuba, guys. You have no idea how beautiful it is. This picture is actually one of the best sellers from me in Getty Images. And this one has been bought by Amazon and by BBC. And many other companies, but the main ones, these two, the ones you know. And then this one of my favorite self-portraits. This one was bought by BBC. So I was super upset I couldn't find the picture published in BBC because maybe they published in a blog, maybe in a poster somewhere, maybe it's even printed somewhere, and I would love to see it, and I cannot because I don't know. But at least I know it's BBC who bought it, so that makes me very happy. Then this one is a self-portrait. You guys know I love self-portrait photography work, and I actually sell a lot of self-portraits of my work when I travel. And this one was bought by Booking.com. It makes sense because Booking.com is about traveling, so they bought this picture. The next one, Booking.com as well. I love this picture. This one was taken in Gili Gede. It's one tiny island in Indonesia. I did a self-portrait in this pier and it looks super clean. I love it. It was incredible this day. It was boiling hot that day, I remember. And I love to see these pictures. I think they are beautiful, and then companies like Booking.com buy them for their website. So I'm super happy about that. Facebook. This one I actually sold 3 times this month, and one of them was bought by Facebook. This ostrich I took in Spain time ago, and yeah, it's quite fun. So I don't know for what you're gonna use it, but that one is the one I sold to Facebook. This one, I actually sold this a few times and twice to Fujifilm, because the same company can buy you more than once the same picture, because sometimes they use it for one thing and sometimes for another thing. Remember that when companies buy a picture from you, they don't buy the picture itself, they buy royalties. The use of that picture for a specific thing. So they don't buy the copyright, so don't worry about that. It's your picture, you keep the copyright, but you have everything about it in the videos down below. I'm gonna link about the stock photography. So yeah, they bought it twice, Fujifilm Europe, and I love it. This was in Galapagos Island in Ecuador. During my solo trip, I had there 2 months, and yeah, I love to see this picture because it brings me so many good memories when we used to travel a lot. And then what else I have here? Iberia Airlines. This one is from Iberia Airlines. I don't appear there, it's just the landscape. When I shoot for stock photography, I make sure I shoot the landscape, maybe different angles, and then maybe a self-portrait or people on it. Because normally, when the pictures have people on it, they sell more. But this one was sold, and it's just a landscape. Microsoft bought this picture. I think it was the first picture I sold to a big company. When I saw Microsoft bought one of my pictures, I was super happy. And this is El Pailón de Diablo. It's an amazing waterfall in Ecuador, and they bought it. And I'm guessing they bought it as a screensaver or something like that, or a wallpaper. And I think, yeah, this one as well. This one is the last one, I think. NBC. NBC is a super, I think it's, NBC is from news and it's a channel as well, but this one they bought it for a show, for a comedian show, I think. And they bought that giraffe I took time ago in Spain. And yeah, this one was the last one, sorry. Yahoo bought this one from Havana. You can tell it's Cuba right away because of the cars. And guys, look the companies and look the pictures. Some of them are very nice, I love this one, but some others, the ostrich, the giraffe, are not that amazing pictures. They are normal, they are funny, but they are very average pictures. So you can sell as well. It doesn't matter your level. If you go to Getty Images or to other websites, it's true that some of them, they require some level of quality and you have to pass a test. Maybe they ask you to put like 5 pictures and they have to think if they take you or not. So make sure you always send the best ones. I do share in a few stock photography websites, and the best one for me is Getty Images. The problem with it is that sometimes your pictures are sold for little, but the companies are huge. But because they have memberships, they pay very little. Some others, they pay more. Facebook paid more for the picture of the ostrich. As I said before, you can see the figures on my private community. I'm gonna post a video this week or the following one, or maybe already is there. I don't know when I'm gonna have time to post it, about this month's sales in Getty Images. So I'm gonna tell you the pictures I sold, I'm gonna show you all of them, and how much they paid, and how much I keep. I think this is super useful for you to have an idea. I'm gonna put the link to my private community below as well. And please, if you didn't start in stock photography, it's not just about the money, it's for your ego, for reputation as a photographer, and how happy it makes you to see your pictures in such a huge companies. So check the playlist below, learn from it, and start. I know I'm super lazy myself to upload because you have to keyboard properly, title the pictures, it's hard work, but once they are there and you do the hard work, you are sleeping and you are making money. It costs a bit at the beginning when you build the galleries, but when you build them, trust me, you're gonna make money. So I hope this video motivates you to start with the stock photography if you didn't yet, or to keep pushing, to keep uploading, to be found by big companies. I think this is going to be very useful for you to keep shooting and keep uploading to make money. So I will see you very soon, guys. Comment below if you have any questions, and big love to everyone. Ciao.